Hello, my name is Mark, and this is Paige. I'm going to be teaching her about the basic divisibility rules for the numbers 2 through 11. We're only going to go through a few just because of time reasons, and we're going to start with the number 2. So Paige, how do you tell if a number is divisible by 2? Do you have any idea?
If it ends in 2 or 4?
Well, that's right, but not necessarily completely right. The last digit is an even number. So would 146 be divisible by 2?
Yes.
Correct. Okay, that's a pretty easy one. Let's get a bit tougher here. How do you tell if a number is divisible by 3? Any idea?
No.
All right, you have to add the digits. So the sum of the digits, depending on what that is, if it's divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. So let's try this. Let's do this here with the hearts you've made. Oh, you made a heart. Let's say 381. Is that divisible by 3? So what are you doing there?
3.
Good. Is that 8?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. 8.
And then one more.
381.
All right, so now what are you going to do? You take these and now you add them. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now you have 12 in total. That's the sum of the digits. And now if that number is divisible by 3, 381 is divisible by 3. So is 12 divisible by 3?
Yes.
Yes, so 381 is divisible by 3. Alrighty. Let's move on to divisibility rules for number 4. Any idea what the rule is?
No.
Alright, the last 2 digits are divisible by 4. So it doesn't matter how big the number is. It can be in the millions, trillions, billions. It doesn't matter as long as the last 2 numbers are divisible by 4. So let's try this. Let's go 7,019.
Nope.
Nope, why not?
Because 19 is not divisible by 4.
Correct. Alright.
What do you think?
Now for number 5. Any idea of what the rule is for divisibility by 5?
If it ends in 5 or 0.
Correct. So is 2,433.
No.
Good job. All right. We will now move on to divisibility by 6. This is a bit trickier because 6 itself does not have a rule, but so we need to use the prime factors of 6, which are
2 and 3.
correct. All right, so now we have to look back and remember the rules for divisibility by 2 and 3. All right, so let's apply this for the number 114. Is 114 divisibility by 2?
Yep.
Why is that?
Because 4 is divisible by 2.
Well, yeah, because it's an even number. All right, now, is 114 divisible by 3? Yeah, you can use your hearts here if you want. So we got 1,
Oops.
1, and 4. All right, so now you add those.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. 6 divisible by 3.
Yes.
Correct. So 114 is divisible by 2 and 3. Therefore, it is divisible by 6. All right, moving on. Divisibility rules for number 7. We got a piece of paper here to work this one out. All right, so the rule for number 7 is if you double the last digit and subtract it from the rest of the number, and the answer is 0 or divisible by 7, it is then divisible by 7. So let's go through this with the number 672. All right. The heater has just started working. All right.
Do you want to stop?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
So what is your first step with 672?
Double 2.
Right.
So 4.
Right. So now
67 minus 4 equals 63.
Correct.
And 63 is divisible by 7.
Correct. So in that case, 672 is divisible by 7. Well done. All right, moving on. Divisibility rules for number 9. Any idea of what that is?
No.
All right, let me tell you. The sum of the digits are divisible by 9. So it's the same thing as divisibility rules for number 3, but now it's 9. So once again, you can use these here, or we don't have to do that if you don't want to.
I want to.
All right. So the number is 2013. Is that divisible by 9?
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No.
No, it is not divisible by 9. Great job. Lastly here, a number divisible by 11. Do you have any idea of what the rule is for number 11?
No.
That's okay, I'm going to tell you. If you sum every second digit and then subtract all the other digits, and the answer is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. So let's work this out here. We have 1,364. So if we add every second digit, we'll add 4 and 3, which gives us 7. And then we'll add the other digits, 6 and 1, which gives us 7. And we will minus those two, which gives us the answer
0.
0. So is this number divisible by 11?
Yes.
Correct. All right, thank you for watching our video. Enjoy your day. The answer is 0 or divisible by 7. If you double the last digit and subtract it from the rest